Today I'm introducing you to one of my favorite things that I wear, and no, this is not a sponsored video. This is my heated jacket.
This is not my heated jacket.
He does not have one. A lot of you are experiencing the blizzard bomb back east in Boston right now. I'm sorry, it's so cold. Here in Utah, it's not as cold this winter. It's super odd.
It's January.
But then also, the second reason is because Anderson Cooper, during the New Year's Eve special in New York City, it was super cold. He went and bought $2,900 worth of heated clothing.
How's this heat?
The heat is, I mean,
it surging?
This part of me feels very hot.
This one was not that much money. This is just a jacket.
Electricity.
Let me show you kind of how it works. You can open it up, you push this button, beep. This one is the gloves. It comes with gloves. I'm not wearing them right now. Beep. The first time that I used these was last year when we went to the Patriots playoff game.
It was against the
Houston Texans in Foxborough, and it was super, super cold, and this thing kept me warm. I've got the jacket on. They did not take it from me. I'm gonna put the battery in right now and get it heated up, and then I can give a full review to see if the gloves work, if the jacket works, and to see if it keeps me warm at 20 degrees. Halftime, my jacket ran out of juice. It only lasted until halftime. Here's the battery. I just pulled it out, see? There's a little pocket for it. It hides in there. The cool thing about the battery is you can also charge your phone. It has a USB port if you want to use it that way. This just hides in your jacket and then it heats you up. What is inside of this thing? What if I just give you a knife and you just cut me?
Nah, pass.
Right here on my heart. Oh.
It's like, oh no, this is gonna make a mess.
Oh no! Ah, my heart! Let it snow! What did I say about it not being snowy here in Utah?
Here in Utah, it's not as cold this winter. It's super odd.
We're getting inside of my fancy jacket. So how does this heat up? These are just a bunch of wires. Like, do the wires heat up? Oh, I see. Right here, you see this white area? This is like all the coils inside of there. I think we need to get inside of there. I think the wires run into that. Whoa, don't do my face.
And I'm getting lightheaded, okay. I need to sit down.
Okay, go sit down. I'll work on this.
Oh, I don't feel so good.
What's the matter, buddy?
I'm lightheaded.
Whoa.
My head is light.
Your head is light.
Yeah.
Life lessons from Lincoln.
Don't blow stuff really hard or you will get tired and sick.
This section, it feels like it has a bunch of stuff in it. When I pull this out,
Fibers.
some sort of black fiber hair stuff. This is what we're dealing with here, guys. We got this stuff all over, even on here. They're like little alien creatures.
You need to know what's inside.
Don't get lightheaded. Remember the lesson? Life lessons with Lincoln? You forgot it. You already forgot your own life lessons. I think we need to do a little bit better of a cutting open job here to explore this because I couldn't find it just from that one section. I didn't see any like metal coils. Stuff is everywhere.
Need to get those out?
Okay, let's figure this. No. Why? It's everywhere. Can confirm. Nothing inside of the jacket except for this. Let's go to the back. Not very good. Yeah, blow all that off of there so we can see what we're looking at.
In my nose.
Ew, that's a lot of boogers. This black stuff that we found right here.
Oh, it looks sticky. Is this sticky?
No, it's just plastic. That's plastic on it.
Oh, it looks like stickiness.
How is it that this hair stuff is the heat though? I think we've confirmed that these hair-like fibers are the things that make the electric jacket
It's
that
like
the heat is
thick
conducted.
hair. I don't understand
I'm thinking
this.
they have a deal with Locks of Love. You think you're donating to somebody good, but instead they're putting in these jackets.
Okay.
You don't even know what that is, do you?
I don't think so.
No. Okay, maybe not a good joke then. This is the pocket where you put the battery inside of it, And then this is a little charger. This is the battery. They did make this little bend on it and they put this little like rubber coating on the outside of it. So this is where it starts. Where's the knife? Take my knife away. So something interesting, you have this little like micro SD or whatever you call it. I don't even know what this cable is called.
USB thing?
No, I think it's like a micro something. This is on the end of the jacket that you can plug into your gloves, and then your gloves are warm too. Here's the back of the jacket. Check it out. You can see the heated pockets on there. So you have 1, 2 on the front there, 2 on the front on the other side, 2 on the back. What's the math? 6. There's 6. I didn't expect there to be hairs in there. We're gonna put a bunch of it on my face. Wait, where's the glasses? There's gotta be glasses in here. All right, Lincoln, let me take a deep breath. Put it on as quick as you can, put it all in there. Don't rub it. So if you're looking for a heated jacket, we'll put a link to this in the description. It's not sponsored, but it's a great addition to have for your winter life. Just don't open it.
My eyes, it's in my nose. Oh my. Don't open it.
Beep.